Okay, we got this awesome structure right in front of us that we're working with. Rocks above the water, we're away from the shoreline. The sticking out rock underneath it is rocky, boulder, chunky rock that go down to 13, 14 feet. And there's other bigger chunky rocks beside it. Perfect habitat for smallies. And we're getting some great action on it right here this morning.
That was awesome. That fish jumped out of the water and slammed that fly. I'm probably gonna slow my retrieve down a little bit then. Do some quick pops and then, oh, nice.
Yeah.
This looks like a decent fish. Okay, again, I looked down because my line had gotten tangled around the tip of my boot. I went to go unhook it and Rob says, oh, I think you got a fish. Lo and behold, I got a fish.
And there's a buddy right there with it.
Oh, I see it. I think
there's 3 of them.
Oh my goodness. I think the key is going to be slowing down my retrieve a little bit, giving a couple quick pops like I mentioned, and then
oh, this is a nicer one.
This is a nice fat fish. Come on, buddy.
Yeah, there's 3 of them right down there.
Seems to be really active. There's so much rock structure in this area. That big boulder just keeps going on with lots of break off.
And they seem hungry. They seem hungry this morning.
They do.
Look at another big one right beside it.
Oh, this is a beautiful fish. I'm gonna try and get him up towards you, Rob, okay?
Okay. We'll just be patient.
There we go.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's an awesome fish. Here, I can take that one out.
Yeah, I'll hold the net like this.
Okay, there we go. Pop that right out, right through the top lip. This is a beautiful bass. Oh my goodness. And we haven't been fishing more than 15 minutes.
Yeah, 15, 20 minutes and great action already.
Oh my gosh.
This is your biggest one yet.
All right, let's let this gorgeous fish go.
This video is made possible by Fish USA, America's fly shop. Visit us today at fishusa.com.